अच्छा लगा सर, हमारा देश का गौरव है वो, तो हमें बहुत खुशी होती है जब से मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री हैं। हमारे देश का नाम उन्होंने काफ़ी ऊंचा किया है पहले से, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके।
इनसे भी मुलाकात हुई?
जी जी, इनसे भी मुलाकात हुई। क्या आपने क्या बोला मोदी जी को? क्या बोला? भारत माता की जय इसने बोला जी।
My name is Pihu Modi.
Pihu, you sang Vande Mataram and Prime Minister Modi was there. We also clicked a picture with you. What did you all discuss? What did you all say?
I was saying like, my God, if this is true, then I was like really happy. I was almost crying because it was my dream. And when I was small, I was always watching his cartoons and everything. And I really love him. And I just, one wish came true, my life will change. And this is my wish. And thank you all. I love you, Modi Dada.
So, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Anusha Ghosh.
So, you also sang Vande Mataram in front of Prime Minister Modi. What did you all say? What did you say?
I said, I felt very emotional. He's such a big shot that I get to meet and shake his hand and see him in person. I felt very happy and so privileged to have this
How
feeling.
much time did it take to prepare Vande Mataram, if I may ask?
I think we've been having classes for about 2 to 3 weeks, at least 3 times a week. We've been working a lot for it.
My name is Ratnavali Adhikari.
Ma'am, Pradhanmantri listen to Vande Mataram.
Well, we have been rehearsing for last 4 weeks with the kids, and now I think, and again I think that we had altogether 16 classes altogether.
How was the interaction with Prime Minister? He spoke and he also
He did. He said you sang very well. So I think that this is a very big thing for me, and it was, and especially I could teach all these kids that they are representing India. So I think this is a very big achievement for me too.
मैम आपका नाम?
स्नेहा।
आपने पेंटिंग भी बनाई, प्रधानमंत्री के सिग्नेचर हैं उस पर, और आपने
गरबा भी किया है।
कैसा रहा अनुभव? प्रधानमंत्री के लिए आपने प्रिपरेशन टाइम से की है और प्रधानमंत्री ने उसे सराहा भी है, कैसा रहा इंटरेक्शन?
बहुत अच्छा इंटरेक्शन रहा। वहाँ पर आके उन्होंने पूछा भी कि वो पेंटिंग किसने बनाई, एंड मैंने बोला हमने बनाई, एंड ही वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। एंड हमने गरबा भी काफ़ी दिन से 2 वीक से किया। कुछ लड़कियाँ सौ पोलो की थी, कुछ यहाँ रियो की थी, तो हम लोगों ने मिलकर ऑनलाइन भी किया था, तो काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। बट रियली मैं पेंटिंग के लिए मैं चाहती थी कि वो इसे देखें, इन पे ऑटोग्राफ अपना दे। मतलब आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वेरी वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट। या मेहनत सफल रही, क्योंकि मुझे 2 वीक्स ऑलमोस्ट, क्योंकि बहुत बिजी टाइम था, बट उसमें भी मैंने टाइम निकाल के किया, क्योंकि मेरे फैमिली, पापा मम्मी भाई सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि मोदी जी के लिए पेंटिंग बनाओ, एंड हम लोग मिलके काफ़ी कुछ डिज़ाइन किए। एक तरफ ब्राज़ील का फ्लैग है, एक तरफ इंडिया का फ्लैग है, सो इसलिए एंड बीच में मोदी जी है, सो इस तरह मैंने डिज़ाइन किया।
मोदी जी ने पेंटिंग देख के क्या कहा?
उन्होंने कहा,
देख के मैं था वहाँ पे, मैंने गिफ्ट किया एक्चुअली उनको पेंटिंग। मेरा नाम रोहित प्रतीक है। उन्होंने पेंटिंग देख के कहा वाह, तो एक शब्द नहीं कहा, बट उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। एक बच्चे को भी उन्होंने दिखाया और उन्हें पहचानने के लिए बोला, और बच्चे ने भी पहचान लिया, तो काफ़ी खुश हुए। इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस मोमेंट विद
हमारे लिए बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है, फॉर मी, फॉर आवर फैमिली, बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है।
My name is Kea.
Tell me, how was the interaction with Prime Minister?
It was really good. I really enjoyed it. Like, I was so happy. I also almost started crying, and yeah, I was like super happy and nervous at the same time. I don't know why. And yeah.
आपका नाम?
Pooja Karthik, Campinas se, and we are living here from last 13 years. I'm very proud of my kids that they welcome Modi sir in a very nice way, representing India in Brazil. She is Gianna, and he's my younger son, Jainil. They are very small, but they really did hard efforts to come till this point and sing for Modi ji, and we are really proud of our kids.
We also saw that interaction also took place between Prime Minister Modi and the kids, and he was there, he stood there.
Yeah.
The song as well, the preparation that you have done.
Yeah.
Your thoughts on the experience and the interaction with
Actually, after seeing kids, they are really very excited as they met Modi ji, when we met Modi ji for the first time, and they are very, like, they were nervous bhi the, and वेरी एक्साइटेड आफ्टर वो आके बोले कि मोदी जी ने मुझे हाथ पकड़ा, उन्होंने मुझे हाथ मिलाया एंड बहुत एक्साइटेड थे बच्चे. इनकी एक्साइटमेंट में हमको बहुत खुशी हुई. सो थैंक यू मोदी जी फॉर गिविंग दैट टाइम टू आवर किड्स.
Jai Shri Krishna to all. My name is Karthik Kadakia from Sikandrabad, Hyderabad. I am basically based in Campinas, and I was being responsible for the Vande Mataram song with the coordinating with a group of kids. And I am really proud of the kids, of all the kids that have taken part in it, and they have sung really well. They were 3 cities that were coordinating: Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, and Campinas. And it was very difficult for the kids to do this chorus thing by Zoom, and everybody did it very well with few rehearsals in group. It was very well done. I also would like to say that it was a very important, as a father, it was a very important and emotional situation for me, because my kids were asking me what is the meaning of Vande Mataram, and it touched my heart. That's explaining them that what exactly is the Mother Earth for us. That was what and they are trying to understand with the welcome of PM Modi sir, of what exactly is Mr. PM Modi and all how it works in India and in Brazil.
Hello, my name is Atharva, and one thing which Modi ji has done recently over the years, which has inspired personally me, is that he has promoted yoga. So we do Sahaj Yoga, and he has promoted yoga around the world. And that is something very inspiring, because it's something which transforms people. And just seeing him now personally, his personality, the way he walks, the way he is calm about things, it's very inspiring. And I think so as a leader, we need more leaders like him, because he does things from the heart, and he's also someone who is spiritual, which makes him calm, and he does it for the people, for India. So that's something very inspiring.
आम्ही महाराष्ट्र पुण्यावरून मराठून माझं नाव शुभांगी धोटे. आम्ही पुण्यावरून महाराष्ट्र रिप्रेझेंट करतो, इथे इंडिया रिप्रेझेंट करतो बेसिकली. आणि आम्ही इथे पिरासिकाबाला राहतो. आणि जेव्हा आम्हाला कळलं की ते मोदीजी येणार आहेत, तेव्हापासून एक्साइटमेंटला अक्षरशः म्हणजे शिगेला पोचली होती. आम्ही इथे, माझे मिस्टर इथे काम करतात बायोफ्युएलमध्ये, आणि जी आपली टेक्नॉलॉजी आहे, इंडियन टेक्नॉलॉजी ब्राझीलला दिलेली असते, तर त्याच्यामध्ये आमचं हे सगळं काम आहे. तर आम्ही तिथून आलो, आणि आज आम्हाला खरंच खूप आनंद झाला. पर्सनली भेटता आलो, अक्षरशः एका फोटावरून शेक हँड करता आला, त्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप छान वाटतं.
My name is Ozil.
You sang Vande Mataram.
Yes.
And you performed in front of Prime Minister Modi. How was the whole experience? What did he say to you?
I was astonished to see Modi in front of me. He gave me a handshake. When I said my name to him, he even gave me a blessing.
My name is Vinod Shanmuganandam. I am here the doctorate student. We are the large Indian community students here, and presenting more than 2 or 3 years here. And there are most of the postdoc research also here. So we are actually the proud of to see our great leaders here. And apart from it's one of the great opportunity, India is a strong one of the leading country for the G20 summit. And it's interesting to understand we are in different countries. Our leaders become the part of the conference, and it should be the great innovative, and I hope the India has a great future for the G20, and it's one of the dominant country to control G20 conference. It will be supporting to all the sectors, not only the environmental and health sectors. Like the pandemic situation, he controlled very well, and I hope he has lots of plan to serve the Indian community, and it should be the very well became the leaders to meet very closely, and I have the opportunity to meet him personally after 15 years. It will be a great pleasure.